Hey, how's it going everybody? Eamon here with a new video tutorial. In today's video tutorial, we're going to talk about how to load and use data and CSV files. So let's first of all go to Form Manager, add new form, and let's add a form. Let's call it main form. Let's design a basic user interface. To open the designer, just right click and go to Open Form Designer. Let's drag a button here, call it load CSV file, and let's drag and drop a list box. Let's save and cancel. Let's go to tasks and let's create a new task called load CSV file. Now let's add our logic to this task. Let's first of all set a variable, create a new variable called CSV file. This is the variable that is going to represent our CSV file. We're going to first add a system macros function file dialog open here. This will allow us to open a dialog and select the file. Then the selected file will be replaced in here. So let's next read the CSV file. We're going to use file readers and select CSV file reader here. We're going to read the file. Now let's create a loop. We're going to loop through the values in that CSV file and read the values one by one. So to get the number of loops, just go to let's insert a macros function and quick search and CSV file rows here. Okay, this will give us the number of rows in the CSV file, number of records, and we create first a counter, set variable and name it counter and set the value to 0. This is our counter. Then let's add item to list. We're going to create a list and add items to it. We're going to call this list CSV list. We're going to do some like username, and let's select the value of the values from our CSV. So CSV, not CSV data value reader. Yes. Select CSV value reader, and I'm going to select the username column, which is 0, and the row index is the counter. So every time we increment we go to the next row, and then we come here and do something like use password, and we do the same for the second column. Quick search CSV value reader. We select, then we go to column 1, the password column, and select the row index, which is counter here. Okay. It's okay, and then we increment the counter before we finish the loop. We drag it in here. Increment value counter will be incremented by 1. Then after we loop, we just go to add list to control here. We'll apply this list to our list box control. We go to form controls, main form, and we select the name of our list box. You can get rid of the these tags because you only need the list box name here. Let's save everything and let's go back to our form now. Open form designer, set trigger, click, load CSV. We set the click trigger to the load CSV and we save everything, save project, save the project. We call this load CSV file, save it, and then let's debug, hit debug mode, and let's try this. Load CSV. We have a CSV account here, and as you can see, we loaded our accounts. Username, value, and as we go through the rows of the CSV file, keep changing values. So if you have more than one, column, you just go here, and if you have, for example, 5 columns, you just start by 0. The first column is 0, then 1, 2, 3, and the row index is the the row number here. You start by 0 and you keep going down. That's how you select CSV data from your CSV file. That's pretty much it for this CSV file loading tutorial. I hope you liked it, and see you guys in another tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.